I don't know what on earth my hair is doing. Like, it's all okay, except for this bit. I think I need another haircut. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica from Jessica's Art Restraint. Thanks for joining me. So, this week I thought I should do a video about how to get over artist block, or art block, creative block, whatever you wish to call it. Creative slump is what I call it, personally. Not only am I doing this video, but it's also a discussion video as well. So I will share the ideas as to how I personally deal with art block, and if you enjoy, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload once a week. But also leave a comment down below on how you personally deal with art block. Down below in the comments. Leave a comment down below in the comments. Well done, Jess. So yeah, like, let's make this the video to go to when it comes to dealing with art block, whether you're in trouble with art block right now, or whether you would like to help someone else get over art block. Have everyone come to this video and join in on the discussion, whether you need help or whether you have any tips and tricks for how you get over art block yourself. Anyway, let's get started. Enough of me blabbering on. There are 3 things I do, like I alternate between the 3 depending on my mood at the time and my situation and where I am. There are 3 things how I deal with art block, and tip number 1 is to draw your surroundings, as in wherever you are. Take a sketchbook wherever you go and draw your surroundings, whether it's at home, draw that lamp, draw that vase, draw a bunch of flowers on the table. You have 2 hands, so draw one hand with the other hand. Or whenever you're out and about and you're in artist block, like when you're in town or go to the botanic gardens, draw some shrubbery or plants or flowers, draw commuters or customers or passers-by. For example, as I've shared in my Sketchbook Accountability video, when I was waiting to go to the cinema with my friend, I drew the what's it called? The air hockey table, which is completely out of proportion, but yeah, it was the first time I drew in so long. And when I was waiting to go to the cinema, when I was waiting for the cinema to, when I was waiting for the film to start, what was in front of me when I was waiting for the bus, the passengers in front of me on the bus. Anyway, you get the idea. Draw your surroundings where you are and carry a sketchbook with you at all times regardless, wherever you are. Tip number 2, how I get over artist block, is to revisit and redraw my older work. Revisit your older work. I will share with you an example. Like, revisit your old art and redraw it like a few months or a few years later to see how much you've improved. I'm giving you an example despite one being in 2007, now I'm feeling old, and 2010. Yeah, 2010. So this one was done in 2007. I think I redrew this from DeviantArt. I found a picture on DeviantArt or just googled manga or whatever, and I found this and I drew it. This was from 2007, and I went back to it a few years later and redrew it to see how much I've improved. This was from 2007. This was from 2010. There we go. Whenever you feel that you are still crap at art and wanting to improve but you feel that you are not, go back and revisit your older work and redraw or repaint your older work, and you'll be surprised, trust me. And last but not least, tip number 3, how I get over art block, is to focus on things that you need to improve on personally. Whether that be trees or portraits or black and white work, or get back into painting if you've been drawing a lot, or more importantly, if you're like me, focus on anatomy and movement and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, stuff like that. Head, shoulders, knees. Anyway. But yeah, in my case, I really need to focus on anatomy and movement and the human figure and all sorts of stuff. I mean, I'm not the best artist in the world, but I'm also not the complete worst. We all have leagues and bounds to go, and we all need to improve on something. So yeah, that was number 3. Focus on things that you need to improve on the most. Like, revisit your fears, so to speak. Don't just fear it, just do it. But yeah, that's everything as to how I get rid of my art block. Most of the time, at least. Don't forget to let me know how you get rid of your art block or prevent art block by leaving a comment down below, and other people will come by and this video will either help them, or they will look down in the comments below and it will help them, or they will leave a comment down below. Let's make this a discussion. Let's make this video the place for everyone to come together and discuss art block and how they deal with it. 3, 2, 1, go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload once a week, if life isn't too hectic with my mental health. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!